Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable building a brand kit page on Squarespace step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Squarespace website. Log into your Squarespace account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, navigate to the home dashboard of your website. On the left-hand side menu, find and click on the Design option. In the Design menu, look for the Brand Kit section. Click on Brand Kit to access the brand settings. You will see options for adding your logo, color palette, and font choices. To add a logo, click on the Add a Logo button. Upload your logo file from your computer. Once uploaded, make sure to save your changes. Next, move on to the Color Palette section. Click on Add Color to start creating your brand's color palette. You can input specific hex codes or use the color picker to select colors. After selecting your colors, make sure to save your changes. Now proceed to the Fonts section. Choose your desired font styles for headings and body text. You can preview the fonts and adjust them according to your brand identity. Once satisfied, save all font selections. After completing the logo, colors, and fonts, review the entire brand kit. Ensure all elements reflect your brand accurately. Finally, click on the Save button at the top right corner to finalize your brand kit setup. Your brand kit is now enabled and ready for use on your Squarespace site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.